Welcome to the Mexico Business Events app, your all-in-one tool to make the most of the event. To get started, open your MBE confirmation email from events@mexicobusiness.mx. Inside, you'll find download links for the app and your personal registration code. Register using your work email, the same one you can access on your phone. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in or retrieve your non-transferable event pass at registration. If you're a first-time user, create a password. If you downloaded the app before, just enter your existing password or request a one-time sign-in code sent to your email. Next, enter your registration code. Select the event you're attending and complete your profile with your work information and event interests. For each interest, you'll also choose your intent, whether you're looking to buy or sell. This is the most important part. Our AI matchmaking tool connects you with professionals who share your interests. Filling this out carefully ensures you'll get the most relevant networking suggestions. Now, let's explore the app. From the menu, tap QR code to view and scan your event pass at registration. Next, tap Schedule with the calendar icon to view the full agenda and speakers. Plan your day ahead to make the most of your time. Next, tap People with the group icon. Here, you can browse all registered attendees and use filters to find those who share your interests. When you find someone you'd like to meet, tap their profile and select Suggest Meeting. Choose a time slot and add a short personalized message. This will improve your chances of a response. That's it. Download the app, send a few meeting requests, and get ready for a productive, successful event. We look forward to seeing you there.